everybody and welcome back to my channel. Rog here once again, and well, tonight I'm going to be cooking a very popular dish in North Africa or Morocco. It's a lamb shank tagine. I've had this many times when I've been abroad on holiday, and yeah, follow this recipe, try it for yourself. Hope you're inspired, and yeah, let's crack on. Okay, for this recipe we're going to need two lovely fresh lamb shanks I've got here, one whole white onion, some carrots, a courgette, some apricots. These are soft apricots but dried ones are fine. A few of these chili flakes, not too many of course. We're going to need some cinnamon and some ground cumin, some ground turmeric that I've got here, a couple of cloves of garlic that are going to be crushed, one lamb stock cube, some black pepper, some chickpeas, some tomatoes in a tin, some orange water, and finally we're going to need a drop of this clear honey. So in a heavy based pan on the stove I'm going to add a little drop of cooking oil, not too much, and make a start by browning off the lamb shanks. Pop those into our pan and just get a little bit of colour on these. So now the lamb shanks have been browned all over, just like this, just like you can see here. I'm going to remove these and place them in a casserole dish because I haven't got a tagine, not yet anyway. So I'll pop these both in there. Come back to a pan that's got the juices of the lamb in there, and we're going to fry off the onions that have been cut, as you can see, into these sort of slices. Pop those in, break them up a little bit, and they're going to cook for about 4 minutes until they've softened down. Now the onions have softened down, I can add the crushed garlic. In that goes. Give that a bit of a mix around, and then in with the spices. That's of course going to soak up quite a bit of the oil and start to add a lot of flavour. Now I'm also going to add a teaspoon of ground ginger, so after about a minute or two we can add our stock, and our chopped tomatoes. So getting back to our lamb shanks that I've got here nicely browned off, I can add apricots and carrots. As you can see, the carrots have been chopped into about 1-inch pieces. In they go, to which I can add the liquid mixture, pour that gently over the top. So now this can go in our oven, gas mark 4, for about an hour and a half. We want to cook this down until the lamb is nice and tender. And about 15 minutes before the end we're going to add our courgettes that have been chopped up, our chickpeas, our orange blossom water and the honey. So it's out of the oven, in with the courgettes. These obviously have to go in a bit later because they take a lot less time to cook really. Then we need a couple of teaspoons of runny honey. In that goes. In with our chickpeas. And 1 teaspoon of the magical stuff, orange blossom water. There we go. Then back to the oven for a further 15 minutes. So here we have it, fresh from the oven, one tagine. Not done in a tagine, done in a roasting dish. Doesn't that look good? So now it's about time for a little taste test. And not too little, of course. So delicious. If you have enjoyed watching this latest video of mine, please consider subscribing to my channel. Then you'll see all my latest videos. Also, if you've got time, please give me a thumbs up and of course, share.